Sometimes life comes at you at 1,000 miles per hour. Picture your daily workload. How do you feel about how hectic life can be? What do the demands of your life sound like? Well, now there's an easy way to cut through it all and discover your personal nirvana. Life is challenging for everyone. We could all use an emotional boost now and then. Can you picture what your life would look like if you were even happier? Even in those moments when you feel a little overwhelmed? Not surprisingly, the answer to this question is directly related to body chemistry. Introducing the Nirvana system, a dual-action mood enhancer unlike any other. Think about that euphoric feeling you get when you flirt with someone you're attracted to. It's actually produced by the body's natural release of endorphins. But it doesn't last very long, and that's where Nirvana does something no other product can. The Nirvana supplement includes a natural seaweed extract that not only supports healthy endorphin production, but its patented stabilization process produces sustained results. So your outlook becomes brighter, life's stressors feel less overwhelming, and things sound more doable. And unlike its pharmaceutical counterparts that can take 9 or more months to build up in your system, Nirvana does this in just a few weeks. So you get the short and long-term results you want in one convenient system. Completing the system is the Nirvana Patch, a patented technology that enhances your mood with no drugs, no chemicals, and no stimulants. So together, the supplement and patch work synergistically to support a prolonged sense of happiness and well-being. Now you can find greater happiness, even in the most hectic moments, through an amazingly simple and powerful change in body chemistry. Discover your personal nirvana today.